Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Airbnb application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb application, and if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on the login button at the bottom right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password or your social accounts. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change the language, you can tap on the profile option at the bottom right corner and search for the language option. However, there is no direct option to change the language, which means that you can either try changing the language of your entire device from your device setting, or you can simply tap on the translation option and then make sure that translation is set to off. When translation is set to off, this will not translate any language from the comments that are displayed for any property, which means that you will be able to view any property details within the native language instead of the translated to English version. Other than this, there is no direct option to change your language within the application. So you can either use the translation in order to view every comments and details in English, or you can turn it off to view in the native language written by the guest and hosts. And there you have it. That is how you can get around to changing your language on the Airbnb application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.